Today we're reviewing the ElectriQ Premium Gaming Monitor arms, available in both single and dual arm configurations. The packaging is straightforward, just a plain brown box with basic black text highlighting key features, nothing flashy. Inside you'll find the essentials, the monitor arms, mounting fittings and simple manual. Both single and dual arms share similar components with the obvious differences in the number of arms and their size. Setting up took a bit longer compared to some other models we've tried, but it's clear why. The design prioritises stability, giving you a rock solid setup. You can clamp it directly to your desk or use the grommeted mount for added security. One standout feature is the built-in RGB lighting, easily controlled via a button on the base after connecting to your PC using the included USB cable. The lighting is vibrant and bright. It's visible along each segment of the arms and the base, although a good proportion might be blocked by your monitors, but it could potentially create a subtle glow behind them. Cable routing options is good as well. You can route the cables down all the way to the base without any issues. The arms offer excellent flexibility. You can tilt, swivel, rotate and position your monitors exactly how you want. Switching from landscape to portrait orientation is effortless. The tension screws help keep your monitor secure, but with the right adjustment, repositioning is smooth and simple. As we spend more hours in front of screens, ergonomic positioning becomes crucial. These monitor arms help align your screens comfortably at eye level, enhancing not just your workspace aesthetic, but your overall productivity and posture. Overall, the ElectriQ Premium Gaming Monitor arms combine robust build quality, flexible positioning and stylish RGB lighting. Whether you choose the single arm option for screens up to 49 inches or the dual arm option, which will support up to 2 screens up to 35 inches, you're getting a reliable setup designed to enhance your gaming or workspace. The TechMax Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live tech awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.